So it is currently 7 in the morning and I'm going to make breakfast because adulting. So, enjoy. I'm doing a voiceover because I sounded disgusting. But anyways, I am putting in 1 banana, some maca powder, and some protein powder. I'm in love with the cocoa. I don't even sing that anymore. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm late on like everything. But anyways, I'm putting in some Skinny Veg almond milk after putting in the cocoa powder. And I'm gonna also put a handful of ice to make it nice and cold. Now, there's always leftovers, and we are not gonna waste that. And it's good. Very good. And just because I'm extra, I'm also putting on some coconut flakes. Oh yeah, so after breakfast I always have like this Asian soupy thingy that's supposed to be good for you. I have no idea. Ask my mom, my grandma, my great-grandma. They know the shit. You can probably tell by my face, but I'm clearly enjoying it. Hello, so I just finished school and I have no homework. Yay me, it's called doing your homework in class when you're not supposed to. But now I'm gonna be making a snack. I'm gonna be making chickpea cookie dough. Yes, with chickpeas, because it's not necessarily healthier. I mean, probably, I don't know. But I'm not trying to get salmonella. Been there, done that. Yeah, let's just get started. So first, we are going into the cabinet and taking some of Justin's almond butter, aka the most overpriced freaking thing, $12.99. Justin, why are you so expensive? Gosh. Okay. Garbanzo beans, yes. And let's see. Okay, I'm a dumbass and covered the microphone, but basically I explained how I don't use measurements because that's how I roll. But yeah, basically I just washed my chickpeas and, you know, kind of threw them in. Now I'm putting some almond butter. See, I don't know, I think that's good enough. Yeah. I'm going to be putting in some cinnamon. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing, so... Okay, that's a lot. Okay, whatever. And then some vanilla extract. Sweetness, I'm going to be using agave. It says maple syrup, but your girl is more than maple syrup. We use agave. So, I don't know, again, like this much. I like syrup. Okay. Yeah. And then we're going to do a pitted date that I kind of soaked right here. Okay, so by now it should kind of look like baby barf. Okay, so my stupid camera basically went silent, so you can't hear anything. But all I did was added some Ghirardelli like dark chocolate chips, and that made it like 10 times better. So the verdict is, the chocolate chip cookie dough was like decent tasting. You definitely need the chocolate chips to make it taste better. But yeah, I definitely would not go out of my way to make this again, probably. But if you're a better cook than I am and actually know how to follow directions, then yeah, I'd go for it. Yeah, and it would probably taste better if you actually use the right amounts of each ingredient. Okay, it's time for dinner, and here I got some fish cakes. Yes, and then I got some bell pepper, ring-a-ding-ding. And then all we're gonna do is take this knife and chop up your X. And then here I have boiling water. Ooh, okay, put some rice in there. About a scoopful, I don't really know. Dump it in there. And then we play the waiting game. And then I boiled up some soba for myself, and excuse this clip, I know it looks like dog droppings, but basically I'm pouring on some tahini as part of the sauce. And then I'm just going to be adding a spoonful of grass, aka pesto. Whoops, I dropped it. Of course, I drop everything. And after you top it off, it should look like a pile of barf. If not, then you're doing it wrong. And then all we gotta do is mix it all up. Hey, hi, hello. Anyways, I'm setting this up on top of a container in case you're wondering, and it's time to assemble, so we're just gonna put on some of your ex's arm and some solidified blood clots. I'm kidding, it's bell pepper. And of course we can't skip on the seasonings, so I'm going to put on some of this Creole seasoning. What the heck is Creole? I had no idea. It was in my pantry, so I'm just going to be sprinkling that on like a normal person. Now, I like things hot, including my men, and we're going to be putting it in the oven. No, that's a microwave. Yeah, for 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, woo, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. Just kidding, it's not Justin Bieber, but basically the same thing, because it's a meal. And you're right, I'm about to inhale that thing. Oh wait, the rice. Ooh, she looking fine. See, why can't my friends cheer me on like this? Oh yeah, and here's a sneak peek of what my dad had. Sorry, I couldn't talk in that recording because my dad was downstairs and I feel very embarrassed. But anyways, I'm enjoying this bomb-ass food. I'm very good. And it's time for dessert. I got myself a cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. And if you're asking yourself, are you really gonna eat that? Come on. If I was on my period, I'd be eating 2 of these, so time to eat. Oh yeah, and I also got myself some Asian tea. Oh my god. That's really good. I'm sick, and I sound like a 50-year-old crack addict, but we're gonna make breakfast. And that's why I'm doing a voiceover. So basically, I get 1 mini papaya and split it into 2, as you can see. I mean, duh, of course you can see, you're not blind. But I'm also toasting a bagel, which I will show now. And then I'm going to get an avocado and split it in half. And then we're gonna give birth to the pit. The most satisfying part is where you literally just drop that thing in and then like twist and pull. Yes. And then super speedy clip of me cutting an avocado. Wow, I'm Superman. No, I'm Superwoman equality. Hello. Anyways, when that's done, I'm gonna be putting on some fish seasoning. It's been so long since I've seen you guys, and I've really missed filming. My mom's in Taiwan, so I took that as an advantage to make a video. Yay. So how have you guys been? I mean, I've been okay. Like, not like you asked, but I have friends. Let's try this. Yes. Perfect. Now, if you guys don't like papaya, I don't know why, because it's delicious. I forgot to take the seeds out, so look at that. It's like caviar, except you shouldn't eat it. Anyways, how's school? I sound like a mom, but are you doing okay? Yeah? I'm doing okay. I mean, I hope. What else? Oh yeah, today I have a piano composition contest. That's fun. And after breakfast, I'm going to go out with my dad for a drive. I'll probably kill someone. No, multiple people. But that's okay. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up and eat my breakfast and watch YouTube. And, oh yeah, and I take cough medicine, Delsum. And I use the kids version because I'm a baby. And this tastes like candy, so. Let's see. 10 milliliters? It's more. Whatever. Drugs, kids! Oh, that tastes really good. Don't do drugs.